How to convert organic waste into business-grade bioenergy. What if your garbage could power your business? Seriously, those banana peels, food scraps, and farm waste you toss every day could be turned into clean, renewable energy. Welcome to the profitable world of bioenergy, where waste isn't waste, it's fuel. Every year, businesses throw away tons of organic waste without realizing its potential. But using a process called anaerobic digestion, you can convert that waste into biogas, a powerful renewable energy source that can fuel generators, heat buildings, or even power equipment. Here's how it works. Step 1. Collect your waste. Food scraps, agricultural leftovers, and biodegradable materials like manure and compostable packaging are all rich in energy. Step 2. Feed it into a biogas digester, a sealed, oxygen-free tank where microbes break down organic matter. This process produces methane-rich gas and nutrient-packed byproducts called digestate. Step 3. Capture the gas and use it to generate electricity, produce heat, or power industrial machines. Meanwhile, the leftover digestate can be repurposed as organic fertilizer, closing the sustainability loop. To set up a bioenergy system, you'll need proper sizing based on your daily waste output, gas storage capacity, and energy goals. There are scalable solutions, from compact digesters for farms to industrial setups for large food processors. And the best part? You reduce landfill costs, cut carbon emissions, and create energy independence, all while improving your ESG profile. So the next time you take out the trash, ask yourself, could this be powering my business instead? Bioenergy is more than green. It's genius. And it's the future of smart, sustainable operations. Ready to turn waste into wealth? Let's dive in. Let me know if you'd like visual storyboard prompts or voiceover cues added.